This is Chinedu, and in this video, I'm going to review a brand new program called the Super Affiliate Intensive, which was only launched a few days ago by Jacob Carris. If you're looking to start and grow an online business with high ticket affiliate marketing, then you should have a close look at this program. Those of you that know Jacob will also know about the Super Affiliate Accelerator program, which he launched early this year and has been hugely successful. It is a training that combines video training over 14 modules with weekly coaching and mentorship sessions with Jacob and two of his team. There is also a membership or mastermind group where you can network with other members. So the Super Affiliate Intensive is based on the same principles as this program. Now, who is Jacob Carris? He is a seven-figure affiliate marketer who achieved over six figures with at least three programs, including ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, and KBB. So he brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to his trainings. The Super Affiliate Accelerator program was based on four key principles, which Jacob has called the Mocha Blueprint. These are the four principles you need to build a successful high-ticket affiliate marketing business. It starts with your mindset training, which is essentially getting your head right, making sure you remove any limiting beliefs you have, and that is hugely important. This is followed by offer creation, essentially finding the right product and how you package that product. Then there is a conversion process, which boils down to how you sell your product. And then there is audience and traffic building. So all these four core principles have been integrated into the affiliate training, which Jacob has used to build not only the accelerator program, but also the new intensive program. So what do you get from the SAI? You get 4 days of Mocha Blueprint training. Essentially, he distills those four core principles into 4 days of intensive training to build a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. You also have interviews with 5 Mocha Blueprint graduates. These are people that have used the principles to grow successful high-ticket affiliate marketing businesses from scratch. But what I feel is probably the most important aspect of this training is a 45 minutes blueprint call you get with Jacob or one of his team, in which they will discuss a custom game business plan with you. Now, one of those options may be to progress into the accelerator program if you are the right fit for that training. And then there is a private group on Facebook where you can share your wins, breakthroughs, and network with other big players in the group. On top of that, Jacob has added 3 bonuses. The first is a detailed training on how to start, grow, and monetize a Facebook group with high-ticket affiliate marketing. The second bonus is called the Super Affiliate Story Formula to show how you can extract and craft and share your own story with the world to generate huge profits. Then there is the third bonus, the art of attracting high quality leads. Essentially, want to attract those who are committed and want to grow with you. You can then dispel those that are time wasters and looking for freebies. So these are 3 important bonuses Jacob has added to the training. The total value of this is about $5,500. Now, on top of this, I have added my own 5 bonuses. That includes the first one, which is unlimited mentoring and coaching on Messenger with me or by Zoom throughout your training. You'll also get my 6-figure affiliate blueprint, which documents my journey to 6 figures with affiliate marketing. You'll also get my free affiliate marketing ebook, which I've called the 8 Simple Steps to Affiliate Marketing Wealth. You'll also get the same funnel I'm using to promote my high ticket affiliate products. And the last bonus is an exclusive list of the high ticket affiliate programs I'm currently promoting. My bonuses come to about $2,000. And when you combine them with what you get from SAI, it gives you a combined value of $7,500. However, what do you pay? You only pay $50 for this program. So this is very, very cost effective. How do you get this program? Go to the description below, follow the link, and when you purchase this program using my link, leave a comment so you can get my bonuses. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this new channel. I promise to release very valuable content over the next few years.